Welcome everybody to Clarington Kia. Take a look at this like new 2026 pre-owned Kia Seltos EX all-wheel drive. Only 10,000 kilometers on the odometer of this EX. This is the most popular trim level of the Seltos. You're going to see why after watching this video, because we're going to take you on a tour of all the great features and the condition of this Seltos, so you can make a great decision to come here to Clarington Kia to pick this up for you and your family. Now, underneath the hood, the Seltos features a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine connected to a CVT automatic transmission. As I mentioned in the intro, this is the all-wheel drive model. Now, you can see from the side profile, it's a great size subcompact SUV. It's the largest in its class. Lots of room in the back seats and in the trunk, which we will show you in a minute or two. The EX model gives you these nice 17-inch gun metallic wheels. We've got LED turn signals in the side view mirrors, satin aluminum roof rails up top. You can put crossbars up there as well, so you can put some things on the roof if you like. Coming around to the back, we've got this nice tail light that comes all the way across the back of the trunk lid. Lots of nice piano black on the exterior as well. That's one thing that Kia does, is they don't make you pay more for that nice piano black trim. It's usually standard on most of the features. Now, taking a look in the trunk, you can see there's lots of room for IKEA, Costco, kids sporting events, groceries, you name it. Lots of room back here. You can of course fold down those rear seats if you need to as well for a little bit more space. 4X on the badge, indicating it is the all-wheel drive model. Coming around the passenger side, so you can see all 4 corners and the great condition. Again, with 10,000 kilometers, you would expect that, but you never know. Used cars, sometimes there's surprises, which is why we do these videos. Now, up front, LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, and LED fog lights. Piano black there as well, piano black front grille. And it's kind of hard to tell, but this is a LED light bar as well in the front grille. You can really see that nicely at nighttime. Now let's go take a look on the inside. We'll start off with the back seats and then work our way up front. So having a look at the interior, the EX model gives you the nice Safino leather seating. This is a non-smoker vehicle. We got a big center armrest that folds down there as well. Piano black trim on the door panels. Love the speaker cover shape there too. It's really cool. USB ports down there and some rear ventilation as well to make sure that everybody in the back stays nice and cool and powered up. Now up top, power sunroof on the EX, heated front seats as you would expect, height adjustable driver's seat, really nice clean interior. Now hopping in, I'm going to turn down the climate control just so I don't have to yell over the fan. There we go. So inside the interior here, you can see this is just as nice as the outside. Lots of great interior material. Pardon me. Nice big infotainment system, fully digital driver's gauges as well. Safety features in the Seltos, even though this is the EX model, you still get amazing safety features: forward emergency braking, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. So this does have a lot of assist features. Assist meaning the vehicle can actually maneuver itself, so to speak. So the lane keeping assist will keep you centered in your lane. Blind spot warning with blind spot collision avoidance assist. So again, if you're going to make a lane change, let's say somebody just sneaks up beside you, you don't see it, the Seltos can keep you in your lane with that assist feature, so that way you don't go merging into oncoming traffic. We've got a great rear view camera with rear cross traffic alert assist. So when you're backing up, if somebody or something comes darting out behind you, the brakes can be applied automatically so you don't go bumping into that. Also pedestrian and bike detection in the front as well, plus many more other great safety features. That's kind of highlighting the big ones there. Now we've got a leather wrapped heated steering wheel, radio controls, cruise controls on the wheel. Checking out the odometer, 10,146 kilometers. I mean, like I said, almost like new on this, which is fantastic. And then you can see here we've got some information that can be displayed in our center screen, and you can go through and customize that to your liking. Now we can get incredible fuel economy by changing the drive mode between all 3 of these, smart mode being the best for the fuel economy. And you can do that by just adjusting with this drive mode dial right down here You can kind of see it there when the glare goes away. There's your drive mode button. Now up top, the infotainment system, exactly what you would expect. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We do have quiet mode, which turns off the rear speakers, and then putting this in reverse, our nice clear rear view camera. But really, obviously, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, those are really what you're going to be using to take over the infotainment system to get access to all your digital entertainment and everything else that comes with that. Climate control up front, which is an unexpected feature for a vehicle of this class and price category. I love having the automatic climate control. USB ports down below, nice little storage trays, and then our automatic gear selector, our heated seats, heated steering wheel, and the all-wheel drive lock option. You can use that if you like. Otherwise, just let the all-wheel drive do its thing. It's pretty intuitive. It knows what it's doing. Push button start, and that is also connected to a remote starter on the key fob. So the EX really, like you can see now why it is such a popular option. It comes with a ton of great features. And then here is the Carfax. 26 Kia Seltos, no accidents reported. That's exactly what you want to see. All right, so if you are looking for, again, that newer, almost brand new, pre-owned find that everybody wants, low kilometers, nice and new, but not the price of new, this 26 Seltos EX all-wheel drive should be at the top of your list. Come check it out here at Clarington Kia. Thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon.